Today I'm gonna share with you guys quick tutorial to create a cute, simple space rocket illustration with Adobe Illustrator. This is the final illustration we're gonna make. Leave it here on the side for reference. First, let's take a look at the final illustration so we can see how we could recreate this rocket with different shape and color. As we can see, the main body is a big eclipse shape, top nose. The small window is just a circle. Two things left and right, and the base is so easy, right? Let's go. Step 1, the main body. We use Eclipse tool to create the main body. Select the Eclipse tool. Create a vertical eclipse shape like this. Look at the top of the main body. It doesn't look good like the final illustration, but no worry, we could change it. Use direct selection tool. Click on the top anchor. Cover the anchor to corner. Almost perfect. You could round the top corner by change corner radius around 15. Perfect, we got the main body. Step 2, the window. Super quick, super easy. Use the Eclipse tool again to create a small circle. Change the color. Put that shape inside the body shape. We have the window. Use align center to make sure that circle is in the center of the body. We select bow shape. Click horizontal align center. Perfect. Step 3. Look at the reference to see the two pins of the rocket. One right here on the left side. One right here on the right side. We will use the Eclipse tool again, combined with Pathfinder tool. Create a small circle with the Eclipse tool. Use pen tool to draw a vertical line. Put the line in the center of the circle. Use align center to make sure the line in the center. Select both circle and the vertical line. Click Divide Mode on the Pathfinder panel. Ungroup both of them. Next step, we have to change the corner radius. Make sure that you still select the shape. Hold Ctrl and move the mouse pointer to get the good radius. Just like that. Rotate the shape around 45 degrees. Place the shape at the bottom of the main body. Create another fin from the shape by using transform reflect with vertical option. Copy. Group two fins together so we can use center alignment with the main body. Put both fins behind body by click Arrange, Send to Back. Voila, almost done. Step 4, the base. We will use another half from the circle. In step 3, to create the base, select the shape, change the color for the base, rotate the shape, change radius, hold Ctrl and move the pointer to change radius. Put the shape at the bottom of the main body. Use center alignment with the main body to make sure the base is in the center. We got 90% done. Step 5. Top nose. Super easy with the Eclipse tool again. Create a circle at the top nose position. Align the shape at the center with main body. We're gonna use Pathfinder tool with intersect mode to create a new shape. Copy the main body. Can you see paste in front, Ctrl F. Select the new body shape and the circle. Then click intersect on the Pathfinder panel. Voila, we have the last thing. This is a cute space rocket illustration.